video. Okay. So my dear children, a very, very good morning, everyone. And in the last few classes, we were discussing about the parts of speech. And also in between, we are actually filling the gap by talking about content and form words, right? We completed content word, the nouns completely. And I'm actually moving on to the second one. Second one, I think second one also we are able to complete, right? Pronouns also we discussed. And list of pronouns also I have given here in the classroom, right?
Yes,
After what
ma'am.
we discussed in the
ma'am.
last class.
Yes.
Okay,
Ma'am,
pronouns.
we discussed till noun and pronoun. We have not discussed command words and form words.
Adjectives. What about adjectives?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Patrick Ause Bachchan is
Ma'am.
sitting here. I request that Patrick Ause Bachchan to rename the device. Okay, so listen, everyone.
Ma'am.
So we are going to talk about the third one. Okay, adjectives. Okay, we are going to speak about the adjectives. As you all know, I don't want to introduce the word adjectives to you since you're learning it from your smaller classes, right? So adjectives are describing words, right? We are using it to describe, to make our language beautiful, to describe someone. If you want to if you want to do some buttering to your father and mother, what you want to do is, you are a very lovely mother. You are you are a beautiful. You have beautiful eyes. Your sari is very beautiful to see. See such comments if you
Yes, ma'am.
praise,
Beautiful.
definitely your amma will be hugging
You
you.
get
Your
one
father
thing,
will
you
be
will say
hugging
like
you.
that to your
Oh,
parents.
what a long mustache, Papa. You look like a hero. Like such
Yes,
comments
ma'am.
can be raised. You actually make some comments about your parents. They'll be
Yes,
very
ma'am.
happy. There is
Describe
no
them.
one in the world
Describe.
to give or
Describe.
to describe them. Okay. So, Mama, your sari, super, right? Your Papa, your dress, your castles, your formals. You look pretty good in your formals, right? Such comments, if you raise, definitely you will get a family pack,
And we
family
will
pack
call
dairy
that in
milk
Malayalam.
chocolate. You will be getting
Soap.
what dairy was
That,
silky. What is it? Silk. What's silk?
ma'am, in Malayalam, we will call it soap plus idal.
Yes, we are buttering
Soap
our
plus.
parents to get all the things to be done, right? I know you people because I have two kids. Okay, Amma, your eyes are so beautiful. Amma, you look as red as whatever it is. No, you know, you are familiar with the story Snow White, right? Her beauty was described in that particular book in the way you look like your rosy. You have a rosy lip. Okay, her lip is just like blood in color. Okay, the description is about the Snow White. She is just like white as snow. Okay, how can I describe there the beauty of Snow White? She is actually like exactly like the color of a snow. Okay, so we are using these words to describe. So adjectives are describing words. If you want gifts from your parents, describe them. Use with the help of all these adjectives. Okay, will you do it today? Test it. Okay, tell me whether it is whether you become successful in that or you got nicely from your parents also. So let us see now. See, adjectives are describing words. It describes a person, or we can even describe a person's quality with the help of adjectives. We can even describe the size with the adjectives. See, such a huge tree, ma'am. There is a banyan tree there, right? Look at
Yes,
that. A huge banyan tree.
huge
Huge
banyan.
one.
Huge is the adjective.
Enormous in size, right? Big.
Yes, ma'am.
I,
Describing the
I
tree.
saw a
Describing.
small puppy, small cute puppy on the road today.
Cute.
Okay,
Small.
small cute puppy. I'm describing the beauty of that little thing
Small
or
also.
whatever it is,
It's not
right?
like what they
I,
sings.
I have a furry dog. I have a furry dog. See, I don't. My dog doesn't have a fur
Furry,
and
yeah.
also no tail. Also, he's actually a roadside Romeo. We got it from the road. Okay, so children, please listen. We are describing with the help of adjectives. You can even show the size. You can even say about the quality and also. I got first prize, Mama. No, after receiving prizes and gifts, what we will say to we'll approach our mother first, right? When you get paper, if the mark is less, will you go to your father first?
No,
When I was a
No, no.
I am very poor at
Yes.
I will go to
Never.
my
See,
father and mother.
when I was a small child in fifth standard, I don't have such intelligence to solve mathematical problems. So I never used to score very good marks for mathematics. So what happened is, if I get my paper from my teacher, I fold it. I'll actually look at my paper. And I'll think, oh my God, how can I show this to my father? Oh my God, again, how can I show this to my mother? So what is next? Definitely I have to approach my grandmother, right? With math paper, every time I approaches my grandmother, Mama, I got this mark only. Can you please get signed in it? Grandmother said, no, go to your father and get signed. So I was literally crying like anything, cried and cried and cried. At last, my grandparent, my grandma, she took the paper from me. She approached my father and showed it to him. Sign it. Little kid, she cannot score good for mathematics. She's scoring good marks for other subjects. So please sign it and give it to her. She said to my father, I got signature. This is the easy another trick, okay? So you can approach your grandfather and get signed easily.
You
Okay?
should start a YouTube channel for these tips and tricks.
Fine. I usually get links from Ayman. So I'm also learning from Ayman. Ayman is the mastermind of tricks. Okay. So listen everyone. Listen everyone.
First power failure.
Power failure, correct?
Or failure.
Power failure.
Failure initiated.
King of power failure.
Who have power failure, ma'am?
It's a power failure.
Okay. What's recurring?
How to recording.
Gautam, you should be shameful because you are making mistakes in grammar class.
Not because of that, it is also recording.
No problem.
Gautam, your chat is also recording.
Recurring. What is it? Recurring spelling.
Please be quiet.
Ma'am came, right?
No.
No.
Yes. No.
I don't just play Free Fire. Let's go Free Fire.
Who's making noise? 1 minute.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
ma'am.
Power failure. Again, 2 times. I'm so sorry. Zoom was not getting connected then. Okay.
No
so let us
problem.
begin describing. I have problem. I have to complete my syllabus. Okay. So children, please stay here. We were talking about this thing, adjectives. And I have told you we can use adjectives to describe a quality, the size, and also number. I've told you, no? And
Yes, ma'am. 9 and 9.
Okay, this is my first prize. I have got my first prize. Okay, so first prize. Prize is a noun, and first is actually the adjective used to describe the prize, the noun.
Noun.
Remember, adjectives are used just before the noun, but not always. Okay, generally speaking, adjectives falls on, or it is just placed before, or it is positioned before the noun in a sentence. So it is easy for us to identify an adjective because it is placed before the noun always in a
Ma'am,
sentence.
like she is
clear?
a he's a
Am I
beautiful
clear?
boy.
Example, I can tell you example. It's a funny man. The word man is a noun. Okay, so funny is a word I am using to describe the man's quality.
It's adjective.
Isn't it?
Adjective.
Isn't
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
Yes,
What is
ma'am.
the adjective in use? Let me share the screen for you, children. Sorry.
Ma'am, adjective of quality.
Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity. There are many things, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Demonstrative. Demonstrative.
Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am. Do we have to write this?
What?
Do we have to write this in the notes? File notes.
If you can write it now. Otherwise, when I send, then only you can.
Okay, ma'am.
Now,
Is there no
pronouns.
last
Right,
one?
is it
We
coins?
discussed about the list of pronouns in the last class, and now we are reaching into the topic called adjectives. Okay, I have told you, children, this part of speech is used to describe. It is a describing word. Okay, a noun or pronoun. Adjectives can specify the quality.
And then you will send the notes.
Understand? Quality, the size, the number
When
of
the chapter
nouns
is
or
over.
pronouns. Listen carefully. Look at the example written here. He is a funny man. Man is a noun, and I place funny,
Funny
the
is
adjective just
adjective.
before the noun. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
I have a beautiful big white dog.
Yes, ma'am. Beautiful
I'm
big
just
white.
describing my
Yes,
dog.
adjective.
How he is. He is a beautiful big white dog. Okay, I'm
White
giving
dog.
3 qualities. I'm explaining my dog, how he is. Okay, my cake should have 16 candles. Look at here. It should have
How many
16
candles should
candles.
it
How
have
many
like
candles?
that?
16 candles. It
Yes.
talks about the number, right? So can
Yes,
you
ma'am.
give me some examples, Isha?
Adjective of quality.
No, I don't want whether it is adjective of quality, quantity, or whatever it is.
Ma'am,
I want
adjective,
an
adjective.
example for adjective in use.
Examples for an adjective.
Example.
Beautiful, big,
Beautiful always we use. Another one.
amazing,
Amazing. What? Complete.
then
I
purple.
don't want the word. I want it in a sentence. It should be
Okay,
placed before a noun.
this presentation is amazing.
This presentation is amazing. Yeah, that was an adjective. At the same time, at the same time, it is not placed before the noun. Can you please find a word or an adjective which can be placed before a noun in a sentence? You said the right answer, but still.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
It is a fantastic show.
My goodness, I'm actually presenting a show just before you. It is a fantastic show. Show is a noun and fantastic is a word which is used or which is placed before the noun show. Okay, so fantastic is an adjective in use. Marvelous. Another word, marvelous. So Anatish Espai, can you give me one example?
Yes, ma'am. What
Yes.
a marvelous hill
What a marvelous
view.
view. What a marvelous view. Okay, view. Now, marvelous adjective. I have Tania Salah here. John Sebi, yes, John. Please use one word as adjective. John,
Amazing.
I got that word. Another word that should be in a sentence.
Ma'am, in sentence.
Yes, of course, it should be in a sentence. Christine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Rena's hair is gorgeous.
Could you please repeat?
Rena's hair is gorgeous.
Not mine. What about mine?
Rena.
I have a black hair, yeah. I'm just standing before you, yeah. Can't you see my hair? I have a long black hair. I cut it short, okay? I have a long black hair. See? Long and black. Okay, are the adjectives are used to describe my hair. Okay, Angelina, yes, Agnay.
Ben is an adorable boy.
Ben is an adorable boy. What about Agni? He's not adorable at all. Oh my God. So children, these are the words that we use to describe a noun, which is placed before a noun. And also remember, these words are coming under the classification called content words. As you all know, we have 2 classifications, content words and form words. Okay, content words are also known as the stressed words in English. When we talk, when we read something, when we talk something, when we communicate with someone else, we used to stress on certain words. Okay, so nouns are examples for content words. Okay, pronouns are not stressed. These are non-stressed functional words. Okay, so these are form words. Form words are also called the structural words, or it is used to knit. It is also used to join. It is also used to stitch proper, beautiful words to make a perfect sentence. Okay, so noun is an example for a content word or a stressed word. At the same time, pronoun is not at all a stressed word. Okay, non-stressed word. At the same time, adjectives are examples for content word, because whenever we talk, we are actually stressing on this word. The folds are coming on this word. Okay, so it is an example for a content word, adjectives. Okay, let us talk about the next one, children. Okay, verbs. You can see
Verbs.
a verb
Yes, ma'am.
here. This one is a
Verbs are action
beautiful part
verb.
of speech. Without this, we can't even say anything, right?
Yes, ma'am. Verbs are action
most
words.
thing in parts of speech, because these are the action words. Without
ma'am.
action, a sentence cannot be so actively presented, right?
Yes, we
So
can't
you know
tell
there
it,
are
ma'am.
many words, many words, thousands and thousands of words used in the form of verbs in English grammar. So verbs are exactly the action words. Okay, it has 4 different forms. As you all know, a verb has 4 forms. The first one is the present form of the verb. Second one, past form of the verb. Third one is the past participle form. And fourth one is the present participle form of the verb. Okay, a verb has 4 different forms. Present form, jump or jumps. Past form, to talk about an activity which was already completed. Okay, jumped. Past participle form, third form of the verb, jumped again. Okay, and another one, the present participles are ing forms, right? So we
Yes,
have
ma'am.
jumped, 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 jumping, right? Wrote,
Yes, ma'am.
written, writing, sing, sang,
Sang,
sung,
sung.
singing,
Yes, ma'am.
drink, drank,
Drunk,
drunk,
drinking.
drinking are the few examples for 4 verbs. Okay, four different forms of 4 verbs. Am I clear, children?
Clear, ma'am.
Verbs are the action words. You can
ma'am.
see a person is doing an action in a sentence. Okay, these action words are called verbs in English grammar. Okay, drink, eat. You can see everything. Eat. Okay? Even you can say that inhale, exhale. Okay, many things that you can see around. Could you please give me some examples for verbs?
Yes, ma'am.
I
Ma'am,
want
it's
one
sitting.
example. Bring,
He's
stand,
sitting
tongue,
walk
walking.
on a
Yes,
table.
Pavitra Girish.
Driving.
Pavitra, I have one child here, Pavitra Girish. Pavitra,
Yes, ma'am.
are you
Yes,
following my
ma'am.
class, Pavitra, my dear?
Mm.
Since you are a new
Yes, ma'am.
admission, are you getting it? Are you following
Yes,
me?
ma'am.
Yes, Pavitra, can you give
Yes,
me one
ma'am.
example for what I can say, this verb?
He was eating when I came.
He was eating an ice cream. So the verb, what is the verb in it?
Verb is eating
Only eating?
and ice cream also.
No, ice cream is a noun. It's the name of a thing.
Is.
Is and eating. Is and
Is
eating
eating.
are the
Is eating.
verb. Okay, Pavitra?
Is
Is
eating.
and or whatever it is. He was means if it is was eating. Okay,
Is
was
eating.
eating is the verb. Okay, oh, he has given another word. Bad, worse, worst. Is it a verb? Gautam, you're caught. You gave
What,
a
ma'am?
few words to me here in the chat box. He said, ma'am. He said, ma'am, bad, worse, worst. Is it a verb?
No, ma'am.
No,
Is it?
ma'am.
It's
What
an
is it?
adjective.
Ma'am,
Adjective.
degree. Degree of
Bad,
comparison.
bad. See, Gautam, a very bad boy. Right? Right? So am I describing, am I doing an action by saying that a bad boy?
No, ma'am.
I'm
You are just
describing Gautam. Gautam is a bad boy. Okay, try to understand. Okay, so bad boy. See, so it describes the boy. It gives a quality to that boy, whether he is good or bad. So bad was first is not a verb. So right, what is the definition? So you tell me, Gautam, now. Give me a few examples for verbs.
One, ma'am.
Give me an example for verb.
I was playing chess.
I was playing chess. Okay.
In the midnight.
So tell me what is the verb?
He is playing.
You said was playing, and you're giving me is playing.
No,
You cannot
no.
say I is playing chess, right? You
No,
said,
he
ma'am,
wa-
I was
he
playing
is
chess. So
playing.
I said, okay, you are right. And when I asked about the verb, you
Was
said is
playing.
playing.
No,
So
I
just said,
was playing. Sorry.
Was playing.
So, what is it?
Gautam was playing chess
I
at
forgot the
midnight
sentence. So
and
make another one.
was
Make another one. Oh, I was caught by this man.
no.
Oh.
He is
Okay.
playing at midnight. He's playing.
Kilo banana. Okay, I bought a kilogram of banana.
Boat.
Sure? Are you sure?
Yes.
So bought is a verb, right? It is the past form of the verb buy. Okay,
Yes,
so you
ma'am.
can
Buy,
write
bought,
buy, bought,
buy.
bought in the chat box now. Okay, no problem. Buy,
Buy,
bought,
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 bought.
buying. Write it in the chat box. Okay, you cannot. Then let me ask, how can you
Buy,
identify?
bought, bought,
For
buy.
bad words first. What is the ing form of that word? Badding.
Buy, bought, bought.
Oh, it's not possible.
Then there is
I
no
can see the chat box. I am checking everything. Okay,
bad
so
word
Rohit,
store. Hello, ma'am.
Power
False
failure.
words. No, no. Is this power failure?
Ma'am have a power failure.
Yes.
Attention.
Gautam,
Ma'am have a
Ma'am,
power
have a
failure.
power failure.
Are you sure?
sure or not?
No, ma'am is
Sure.
here also power failure.
No, ma'am is there. Ma'am is there. Ma'am
No,
is there.
power
Ma'am have
failure only.
power failure.
No,
Power failure only.
No, yes, I thought power failure, but I don't know. We can't tell that. Maybe the net was gone and it will be come back now itself.
That's what we call power failure.
Yes, that's right. Power failure, it will be power failure.
Network issue. There are many
Yes,
words.
yes. Gautam was caught.
Neha is the host now.
Who is the host?
Neha Sharat is the host now.
Yeah, is the host for now. Gautam is the host
Gautam
for
is the
now.
host now.
Gautam
Gautam
was
make me
caught.
the host.
Caught.
Gautam make me the host.
Gautam is the host for now.
Gautam was caught and he become host.
There is a setting. We can't make someone else the host.
Yeah, I know. But Gautam will be the host.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
okay, so let us come back. We were talking
Yes,
about the adjectives in use. We are recording. Okay, so please listen, everyone. So we were talking about again the adjectives, and it's over. And we are talking about the verb. And I discussed a lot of verbs with you and also shared. Now let me share the screen for you, which is related to the topic verb. Okay, pronouns, adjectives, and verbs. Little ones, please look at the board. Verbs are words that show action. It shows motions and also a doing, a state of being, which shows emotion. I love you. I love you, right? So love was a verb also, right? I love you. It is a state of being. So sad. The sadness. I can show the feelings of mine. Okay, that is called the state of being. Emotions. They can also be demonstrate how someone feels. Okay, that means state of being. Okay, Johnny went to the zoo yesterday. I have Pavitra here. Pavitra, can you pick out the verb used in the sentence? What is the verb? Identify the verb from the first sentence. Johnny went to the zoo yesterday. There one action was going on. What was the action?
Ma'am, this we wanna write.
Ma'am, he
No.
went.
Ma'am,
Went.
ma'am.
Went is the past tense of the verb go. Right? Go,
Yes, ma'am.
went,
Go, went.
are the three forms.
Going.
And going also. These are the
Go.
4 forms of the verb go.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Go.
And also you can write goes. Goes is
The
another
past
form.
form. Go.
Present
Mangrove.
form. Present
Mangrove.
form. So when does the past form of the verb go?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Past.
Yes,
Already
ma'am.
happened. Went. Already happened.
Yes, ma'am.
Made beautiful music. So tell me the action word.
Ma'am, made.
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 What is the present form?
Made.
Make.
Ma'am,
Make.
make. Made.
Make.
Make.
Made is the past form. Again,
Make.
made is the past participle form. And
Making.
making is the present participle form.
Making.
Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear, ma'am.
Is the
This you wanna
verb
write in
used
notes.
here. Sarah
Ma'am,
feels
Ma'am.
sad today. Sarah feels
ma'am, this you wanna write
sad
in notes.
today. So
Yes, ma'am.
feels,
Feels.
it is the verb.
Feel.
What
Feel.
are the
Feel.
present form?
Ma'am.
It can be
Feel.
feel or
Feels.
feels.
Feeling.
Flee.
Feeling.
Second one,
Ma'am, this
feel.
Feels. Feeling. Ma'am, feeling. Hello.
Feeling.
Felt and feel.
Feeling. Clear?
Clear, ma'am.
Feels
Yes,
and
Feeling
verb
is
here.
continuous.
Ma'am, the children writing notes.
Bought some candies for me. What?
What, ma'am?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
ma'am, he
Bought.
bought,
Buy.
buy, bought.
He
Buy.
bought.
Bought.
Past.
Bought.
Bought again. Past participle form.
Buying.
Buying.
Is continuous.
Ing.
Continuous.
Present
Yes.
participle form.
Continuous.
Yes.
Continuous.
Is a verb. So am I clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear.
Yes, ma'am. Verbs
Yes,
or
ma'am,
the
you're
parts of
clear.
speech under two
Yes,
groups
ma'am,
called
you're
content
clear.
words and form words. This verb falls in which group?
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you please repeat? It was not clear.
Action.
Ma'am, it comes in, ma'am, it comes in content word.
So
content.
verb comes under content word. So remember,
Ma'am, I told.
content words are the
Right.
stressed words in English grammar. So when we talk, we should stress on the words called nouns. We must stress on the words called adjectives. We must stress on the words called verbs. Okay?
Yes.
So adjective, verbs, nouns are content words, but
Yes,
pronoun
ma'am.
is a form word which we are actually used to set a sentence. Okay, structure a
ma'am.
sentence. Okay, so content
Ma'am,
words
noun,
are form
verb,
words.
adverb, adjectives, and all are content forms.
In progress, we'll learn other things. Okay, so children,
ma'am.
listen. We are talking about content and form words one time. At the same time, we are talking about each part of speech. Okay, so we
Yes, ma'am.
described a verb here, and also I said, children, these verbs are coming under content word category. So jump is a content word, falls content word,
Yes, ma'am.
place content word.
Yes,
Many
ma'am.
content words are there, right? There are
So
many
many
content
content
words. All
words.
the nouns are content words. All
Yes,
the
ma'am.
pronouns are.
Content
Content
words.
words.
Oh, you are
Form
wrong.
is a
No,
No.
form
Form
words.
words.
All the pronouns are form words.
Pronouns
What about
is
adjective?
against us. Ma'am,
Content words.
What about okay? What about
Content words.
okay? So as I have told you, parts of speech are 8 in number. Okay, first one noun, it's a content word. Second one pronoun.
Pronoun, form
Third
words,
one
verb,
adjective. Adjective is a content word.
What?
Fourth one verb. That is
verb,
also coming under
content
content word. Clear?
word. Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Because I'm
I
asking
can't
all the
hear
questions to Pavitra because she is new to the system. Okay, that is why I'm asking all the questions. I actually want to know whether she is equal to you or not. If she is not equal, I have to give concentration. I mean, I have to concentrate that direction because I want to make her up with you children. Okay, so Pavitra, my little one, can you please tell me what the out of part of speech? We have noun, we have pronouns, we have verbs, and we have adjectives. Okay, now this question to Pavitra. Pavitra, tell me a noun is a content word or a form word.
Ma'am, it's a content word.
Excellent. Okay, pronoun.
Form word.
Excellent. And the next one, adjective.
Content word.
Excellent. And what about the verb?
Verb is also content, ma'am.
Congratulations, you won. You won the
Excuse me,
game
ma'am.
prize. Okay, yes.
Congratulations.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Razeen.
Ma'am, I has a power failure, so I could not come in the class.
I faced many times here. Don't worry. Okay, no problem. So children, listen.
The class was full.
Listen. So we discussed about the content word and form words. At the same time, I explained noun, pronoun, adjectives, and verbs. Okay, it is time to end my class. Thank you so much coming here, and we'll be discussing about
Ma'am,
other
will you
parts
send
of
the
speech in
notes?
the coming class.
Will you send the
Thank you.
notes?
I'll send
Yes,
you the
ma'am.
notes. Okay, no
Thank
problem. I'll
you.
send you
Okay,
the
ma'am.
notes in the class
Okay,
group
ma'am.
only
Okay.
after completing 8 parts of speech.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am, for a wonderful session.